Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Marilyn and today I'll show you how to install Metasploitable on VirtualBox. So first let's download Metasploitable. I get it from sourceforge.net. I'll leave the link in the description box. Click on download. So it's going to give us a zip file. As you can see, it's a 825 MB file, which will take quite a while to download. I already downloaded it, so I'll cancel this. You can go ahead and pause the video until your download is finished. So let's close this. Go to your downloads folder and zip the file. When it's done, you should get something like this. So you should have this vmdk file. So once that's done, open your VirtualBox. I'm hoping you already have VirtualBox installed. If you don't have, I have a tutorial that I'll link below, and I also have a tutorial on how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox as well, so I'll link it below as well. So for Metasploitable, click on new. So we call it Metasploitable 2. The type is Linux and the version is Ubuntu 64-bit. Click on next. The memory size you can leave as is. Next. Then for the hard disk, use an existing virtual hard disk file. Select that and click on this small icon. Then add and navigate to your downloaded, or rather downloads folder, Metasploitable there. Click on it, open, and you can see it's already imported, so just click on choose and create. And since Metasploitable is a weak, or rather intentionally weak system that can be easily exploited, we don't want it on the same host as our other systems. So we'll create another network host for it. Go to File, Host Network Manager, Create, so we can have a new one. Yes, create a new one. Just give it a while. There, we have number 2 with a new IP address, or rather IP mask. Here, click on Enable DHCP Server and close that. So we have to come here, Metasploitable 2, our new system, settings, and make sure it's linked to that network. As you can see, it's attached to NAT. So we go to host only adapter and put it to 2. Okay. Then we can start it. You don't need to do much to it. It's going to set itself up, which is a good thing. It also doesn't take very long to set up, so just be a little patient with it. Done. So it gives you login details, MSF admin. So MSF admin and password, same thing. And there goes, you already set up, ready to go. So to check with whatever IP address it has, you type if config and the IP address is 192.168.182.3. You need to note that down. 168.182.3. And then after that, we need to set up an environment to attack it from. So Kali Linux is a good one. That's why you will need to have Kali Linux on your VirtualBox as well. So go to settings. I'll have a Kali installation video down below. As I said, go to networks as well, and as you can see, we already have it pointing to number 2, host only data. So they're on the same system. Okay, so let's start Kali Linux. Make sure your Metasploitable is still running. Give it a moment to boot up. Mine boots up quite slow. I'm not sure if it's all of them or just mine. The boot up process is you can speed it up if it's too much for you. So the password, the username for Kali is root, and the password is TOR. Okay, so once it's up, you can go ahead and start Firefox. So on Firefox here, the password, or rather, not the password, the IP address of Metasploit that you saved up, just type it here. 192.168.182.3. Okay, I don't know why I'm typing too many things. .182.3. Enter. As you can see, Metasploitable is here. So multi-lidar, born to be hacked. So you're ready to go and exploit Metasploitable. So there you go. I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and come back. Bye.